गुड, वेरी गुड मिस्टर शुभम। शुभम, आपका बारे में बता दीजिए। आप हिंदी में बोलना चाहते हैं और अंग्रेजी में बोलना चाहते हैं?
Sir, English.
ओके, प्लीज टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ।
Yeah. Good evening, sir. My name is Shubham Shukla. I'm from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I'm currently working as a marketing manager in Uttarakhand Gramin Bank, where I'm handling marketing and cross-selling activity for Uttarakhand Gramin Bank in Pithoragarh region, where I am currently posted. And prior to this, I was working with Aditya Birla AMC in Gurgaon, where I was handling banking channel for Aditya Birla Mutual Fund Company. And before that, my first job was at ICICI Securities, that too in Gurgaon, where I was in investment advisory to HNI and ultra HNI clients for ICICI Securities. I have done MBA in marketing and operation from IIT Roorkee, and also BTech in electronics and communication from RTU Jaipur. And my yeah.
Now, please tell me what you have been a successful marketing man. Why do you want to leave this challenging job marketing and come to not so a challenging job in ECGC?
Sir, yeah, actually, I believe their ECGC job will be also be challenging, and same goes for the job which I am doing as of now. The reason why I'm looking for this opportunity, because I want a stable job and also somewhere where I can grow my knowledge, enhance my knowledge. Since what I know about ECGC, it is a specialized a specialized institution which is located in mostly in tier one and tier two cities. So it will give me the stability, and as for the knowledge part, the selection procedure is already very tough to crack. And also ECGC deals with various institute like credit rating agencies, credit information agency, both inside and outside of our India. So yeah, I think there is a huge learning curve there. I will enhance my knowledge also while working there.
What is your age? Are you married?
Yes, I'm married. Recently married in November 2023. My age is 30 years.
30. Very good. Mr. Shubham,
Yes,
uh,
sir.
what are you performing marketing duty in RRB, or are you doing job office now, normal officer?
No, I'm selected as a marketing officer here, and my main duties is marketing and cross selling. Both departments I'm handling for Uttarakhand Gramin Bank in the region which I'm posted.
Are you in the regional office or in the branch office?
In regional office 3 Pithoragarh, currently located in Pithoragarh.
Can you tell me the achievements made by you as a marketing officer?
Yeah. So as I said, like I am also handling the cross-selling segment, which is also a major focus currently of Uttarakhand Gramin Bank. So I have joined here in March 2023, and in last financial year, like our region was the top performer in both cross-selling verticals, SBI Life and SBI General, which we generally do. It was the top. Basically, we were top performer across India among all RRBs.
So, but SBI Life and this means these are not big achievements. Can you tell me some good achievement you have made as a marketing officer?
Yes, sir. For marketing, like I have done several activities during my 2 year stint here. Some of the ideas which I have given and were implemented was like the roadways buses here and hoardings. Basically, I have given the idea that we can, more focus on advertising of our bank, and that idea was implemented by head office. And yeah, across all the Uttarakhand roadways bus which were operating here, we successfully basically implemented the advertising of our bank on those buses.
Has it really given you some results?
Yes, sir. Definitely, it has given good leads in some particular region. It has not fared well in all the region, and not especially in Pithoragarh region. But yeah, the heavy traffic bus route like Dehradun and Haldwani, there have been leads, and customer has responded that yeah, we saw your ad and then approached it basically.
Very good. Now, you are a marketing person. Can you tell me the 5 P's of marketing?
Okay, the 5 P's of marketing are product, price, place, promotion, and people.
Okay, shall we go to ECGC?
Yes, sir.
So please tell me, what do you know about ECGC?
Yes, sir. ECGC, Export to Credit Guarantee Corporation, is a specialized insurance institution which comes under Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and it form is what basically formed to provide export credit insurance to exporters and banks, and to enhance export activity in our country. It basically covers two types of risk: commercial and political risk, and majorly two verticals, which are direct exporters and banks.
Good. You told nicely. Can you
Yes.
tell me what way is it important for exporters? बिना ECGC क्या होगा? With ECGC क्या हो रहा है?
Okay, so sir, like export business is fraught with many kind of risk because you are dealing with entities which you do not know about. So how ECGC help exporter is basically they give this assurance to those exporter that even if their importer default, or even if there is some political turmoil happening in the country where they are exporting, they will basically they are insured against what they are exporting. So that gives them confidence that they can explore new market also. Otherwise they will be limited to selective export, selective countries, or selective market where they are already exporting. So basically it gives the freedom to the businessman, and it yeah, for exporter, this is the main function which ECGC does.
Can you tell me, they have so many policies. I
Yes,
want
sir.
you to speak about two policies which have impressed you and tell me the salient features of them.
Okay, sir. Obviously, they have different products, and it is suitable for different needs. But the two policies which I can focus upon is, yeah, one is small exporter policy, which ECGC provide. It is typically for those exporters who have annual turnover of less than 5 crore, and single exposure to any client is less than 50 lakh. The duration of this policy is 12 months, and it is a kind of basically yeah, exposure sorry, their turnover based policy, where every month the exporter have to give the details of what they are exporting. And the second policy which I can delve upon is their service sorry, overseas investment insurance. Yeah, they provide this insurance policy to those Indian investor who are investing abroad in a joint venture or by themselves, against their investment, against the risk which they have against their investment in other countries. And the duration for this is also 12 months. Basically 90% of political risk and 100% of commercial risk is covered.
Sir Shubham, your wife is employed.
Yes, sir.
Where is she working?
She is working in a government secondary school in Muzaffarpur, Bihar, working as a teacher.
अरे भाई आप लोग, you are in one place, she is in another place.
Yes, sir. That's the main reason which that's why I'm looking for a job where, because I can be placed in a stable kind of place.
Mhm. But you will get a job in Mumbai. But will she get a job in Mumbai?
Sir, she is also trying for to crack some nationalized level exam in the teaching sector.
Very good. That's good answer. Now,
Yes, sir.
please tell me, these five qualities in me have helped me succeed in my present assignment. Tell me,
Pardon, sir. Can you repeat?
these five qualities in me have helped me score good marks in my performance. What are they?
Uh, about me, sir, I think the first quality which I can
Mm.
highlight is I am perseverant. Like, I keep on trying until I achieve the result which I want to basically achieve. Also, I am self motivated. I can say that I do not require any external motivation to complete a job or to finish a goal which I have set upon my eyes upon.
Yeah. See, in terms of international trade, there are a lot of confusions, problems happening in and around us, more especially with USA, which is our important trading partner.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
what are your expectations about the future? Next 2 years में क्या होगा? Your estimation.
Sir, currently, as you very rightly said, the conditions are very much, everyone is in doubt like what will happen once after Mr. Trump has been elected because of the trade protectionism policy which he has implemented. He has already announced tariffs on China, Mexico, and Canada. So, and obviously, he has also clearly given sign that he can impose further tariffs on countries like India also. He has said it, but what I believe with the current tariffs which he has imposed on China, I think Indian exporter will gain because the major sector which he has, imposed tariff on in China, India can, use that opportunity to gain. Indian exporter can gain from that. And if the relations which is between India and US continue, which is as of now, so I think India will not lose much from this. There is a lot to gain for India.
Is there any NPA in our Ecgc? If yes, how much? If no, why?
Sorry, sir, I do not know the details of this.
This is, uh, I don't think they will be having NPA, because they are
Yeah,
not
they
having
are
any
not giving loan.
loans.
Yes, sir.
They are only taking advance money, and then if they like, they give money. Otherwise, they will refuse the money on one count or the other. Anyhow, that is
Yes.
okay. Please tell me who is our External Affairs Minister and what is the role played by him for exports.
Sir, External Affairs Minister is S. Jaishankar, and
Hmm.
the role played by him in export is obviously very important because he and his ministry is responsible for maintaining cordial relation with all our trade partners, and also taking actions if there are some opposing actions against our country, also making other countries and other economies believe that India is a developing economy which will move to developed economy, and there is high profitability in investing in India. So yeah,
What
he is
is what is the recent news about RBI and rates,
Sir,
interest
RBI,
rates?
yeah, RBI has recently cut repo rate by 25 bips from 6.5 to 6.25, and it has been the first rate cut in 5 years. Last rate cut was in around June 2020. So yeah, in their monetary policy meeting recently, they have cut repo rate.
Why did they cut it? And what is going to happen?
Sir, a major reason for cutting the repo rate is obviously because the growth projection of our country, India GDP, has slowed down. So they want to inject some liquidity into the economy. Basically, what will happen after the rate cut? That loans will get cheaper. Also, public will save on their installment. So there will be more, spending money, and that will give a boost to our economy. So that's the main reason I think. And yeah, there has been a decline in basically our growth momentum, so that's why they have cut the repo rate.
Excellent. Thank you. You have been very nice. I'm sorry for want of time. I'm cutting it.
Yes, sir.
Anytime during early morning hours, you are free, you are getting up. You fix up appointment with me and talk. Because for me, it is daytime and I
Okay, sir.
can talk to you, for example, 5 o'clock or 4:30. If you want to come early in the morning one day, you
Okay,
can
sir.
message me beforehand so that we can talk on some other factors. I can talk to you for long and it will be of use for you because you are very good. You are a prospective candidate to be selected.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I will give you 80 to 85 marks for this because you have never committed any mistake during the last 15 minutes. I really appreciate you. Best wishes.